Are you ready to fully commit to creating wealth, abundance, and freedom and achieving your goals and dreams? In this EFT tapping video, I'm going to be helping you to shift your money mindset so you can fully commit to going all in to creating the wealth and the freedom and creating the life that you desire and deserve and living life on your terms. So you are either interested in achieving the wealth and the freedom, or you are committed. The difference is, if you are interested, you will do what is convenient. If you are committed, you will do whatever it takes. And it depends on what you are more committed to. If you are more committed to your comfort zone than you are to the discomfort of becoming the person you need to be and taking the action you need to take to achieve your goals and dreams, then you're going to stay stuck. If you're more committed to your fears, your doubts, and your blocks than you are to the personal growth that it takes to become the person you need to be, then you're going to stay stuck. Do you see how, depending on what you are more committed to, then you are going to either make progress, you are going to take action that will support you getting the results that you want, or you will sabotage yourself by either not taking the right action, not taking any action, or finding ways to get distracted and go off the track and not get the job done. So there's discomfort involved. You need to get out of your comfort zone. You need to learn more, be more, grow more, do more, and become that person who is capable of achieving your big vision and your big goal. And that is uncomfortable. I'm sorry, it just is. Sitting on your couch and hoping and wishing and wanting is never going to work. That is hopium, and that is not a strategy. So if you are truly ready to commit to creating life on your terms, then let's get into the tapping. Firstly, we're going to do a tapping on releasing your resistance. So start by tapping on the side of the hand and repeat after me. Even though I have some resistance to going all in on achieving my goals and dreams, I deeply and completely love and accept all of me. Even though I have fears and doubts that are stopping me from going all in and fully committing to achieving the wealth and freedom I desire, I deeply and completely love and accept all of me. Even though I have this resistance that's stopping me from fully committing to going all in on achieving my big vision for my life, I deeply and completely love and accept who I am and how I feel right now. Tapping through the points. These fears and doubts that are stopping me from committing fully to achieving the wealth and freedom I desire. This resistance that's stopping me from committing fully to achieving my goals and dreams. I destroy, uncreate, and delete this resistance to committing fully to achieving my goals and dreams. I destroy, uncreate, and delete this resistance to committing to going all in on achieving my wealth and freedom. I destroy, uncreate, and delete all this resistance that's blocking me from committing to my wealth and freedom. I destroy, uncreate, and delete all this resistance that's stopping me from fully committing to achieving my goals and dreams. I destroy, uncreate, and delete all this resistance that's preventing me from going all in on creating the wealth and the freedom that I desire. Okay, deep breath. And release it. Okay, now we're going to do a positive tapping. Start by tapping on the inside of the eye and repeat after me. I choose to embrace the discomfort so I can achieve my goals and dreams. I choose to commit fully and completely to doing whatever it takes to achieve my goals and dreams. I choose to commit 1,000% to becoming the person I need to be to achieve the wealth and the freedom I desire. I'm committing 1,000% to my personal growth so I can achieve the wealth and the freedom I desire. I choose to commit 1,000% to achieving my goals and dreams. I choose to commit to doing whatever it takes to realize my grand vision for my life. I choose to commit 1,000% and go all in on achieving wealth, freedom, and abundance in my life. I choose to commit fully and completely to doing whatever it takes and getting out of my own way to achieve the wealth, the freedom, and the abundance that I desire. Okay, deep breath. Let it out. Okay, so you can keep doing this tapping to really increase and amplify your level of commitment, and keep actually tuning in and looking at your behaviors, your thoughts, and thinking about, what am I really committed to here? Am I really, really committed to going all in, to experiencing the discomfort and the kind of disruption to my life, to making the sacrifices that are necessary, to experiencing the roller coaster ride and the chaos and the setbacks and the disappointments? I'm not exactly painting a really good picture here, but you know what? Life is full of challenges. Your journey, you've got to fall in love with the journey to success, to wealth, to abundance, to freedom, to becoming the version of you who is capable of achieving anything, because you are infinitely powerful and you have the ability to achieve anything you put to your mind to. You need to commit to the journey, fall in love with the journey. So if you have enjoyed this, if you've received benefit, then do me a favor, like and subscribe, comment below. The algorithm will love you and it will send this out to more people who will get to experience this incredible technique. If you want my free guide it's the ultimate guide to money blocks, then you can check out the link that is in the description below for instant free access. And if you want another video to rewire your brain for money, wealth, and abundance, you can check this one out. This is a doozy. And this is actually a video that is about making a quantum shift. It's a process that I developed that's going to take you step by step through helping you to make a quantum leap in any area of your life. You can check that out here. Either one of these videos are going to help you to make a massive shift here.